what to do when you're blocked from everywhere. So जिस टाइम पे आप रिलेशनशिप को सेव करना चाहते हो और सामने वाले पर्सन ने ब्लॉक कर दिया, and it is very possible when the decision of breakup and divorce is not mutual, and if the other person wants to cut the connection, this is the fastest way in this world of technology we live in right now. And जिस टाइम पे आप चीज़ों को कम्युनिकेट करके रिजॉल्व करना चाहते हो, सामने वाला पर्सन शायद प्रॉब्लम को अवॉइड कर रहा हो, शायद उसको एड्रेस ही ना कर रहा हो, एंड यू माइट फील helpless, you might feel like dead end, and you might feel like that this is the reality you have to live with. Now, when you ask me what to do when you're blocked from everywhere, my question to you is, what outcome do you want to achieve right now? If the outcome you want to achieve is that you want to reconcile the bond, the connection you had with the other person, then I have three things for you. The number one is you need to pause and wait right now. See, if the other person is blocking, the signal is very clear कि वो बात नहीं करना चाहते अभी. So जब वो बात नहीं करना चाहते, अगर आप बात करने की कोशिश करोगे, nothing is going to happen. Only destruction is going to happen. Only something which you don't want is going to happen. Point number two, see, the area of work is not that the other person has blocked you. That is, the consequence is not the problem. The problem is the process. आपने कुछ ऐसा करा होगा जिसकी वजह से blocking is the consequence. Now you have to do something different जिसका consequence होगा कि that you guys reconcile in the relationship, which is, see, the area of work is the fear, the insecurity, the turbulence you feel inside yourself right now. That उस पर काम करो instead of chasing the other person, instead of getting desperate about the other person. See, it is very natural कि तुम किसी से प्रेम करते हो, तुम किसी से प्यार करते हो, and you want to save the bond, and you will run after them because that's the only way you know right now. But working on inner self can really change the game right now. And point number three, which could be not something usual which you hear in the society, which is, see, right now the breakup has happened or this divorce has happened, and it has happened because of certain reasons. कुछ variables होंगे आपकी story में, right? And अब वो जो negative feeling है, negative emotion है सामने वाले के मन में आपके towards, वो associated है आपके साथ. वो negative emotion आपके साथ associated है. And to break this association, you need to create certain space, and you need to allow the other person to come at their own time. This might sound like that, ये क्या बात हुई, ये तो चाहता ही नहीं हूँ ना मैं. अब मुझे तो बताओ कि मैं कैसे एकदम फटाक से उस पर्सन को वापस ले लूँ. If you believe in the relationship, if you believe in the possibility of you guys being together, if you know that this is the love you've experienced, then it is totally fine to give space right now. And if you want more such insightful videos about breakup and divorce, and if you want to create results, follow this page.